today's video I'm going to use a lot of oranges, a lot of purples and pinks and shimmery eyeshadows, and I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's a little different, but not that much, but I think you will love this tutorial as much as I do, as much as I did do it. So yeah, if you like tutorials, if you like makeups, if you like, don't forget click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, it's really important too. And follow me on Instagram as well. So we already know the rules, so let's get started. So I've already primed my lid with concealer, with that Lancome concealer, that Tint Idol. I really love it. And now let's get this makeup, let's start this makeup with a really fluffy brush. And I'm using the Jim Charles palette, so I'm going to pick Pinkity Drinkity right now. And let's just blend this color, Pinkity Drinkity, right here. Ooh. And now let's apply the brightest pink on the palette, and let's apply it on the crease. Now this is all blended, and now we're going to pick a pencil brush and pick the orange color. And let's blend this color into the pink and into the inner corner as well. Like this, okay? Just let me... Okay. Right now, we're going to pick the same pencil brush, and I'm going to have the purple color, and let's pack this purple. This purple is not that purple, it's by the pink side. So it's not that purple, that bright purple, but it's a beautiful color, and I'm going to use it right now because I'm loving this. I'm loving this so much. Like this, and with the same brush. This brush is from Wet n Wild. My God, this brush is everything. This brush is everything. You need to test it out. It's awesome. It's awesome. And now, with a pencil brush, this is from Cate, I'm going to pick orange again, and I'm going to pack right here into the inner corner. Like this. And now I'll be just having a cut crease, and I'll be right back. Like this. I've already cut my crease, and now with a pencil brush, let me just clean it in my... My God, this tool, it's so awesome. It's so awesome because it allows you to play with different colors at the same time, so it's really nice. And now I'm going to pick ring light. And let's pack this. Ooh, let's pack this color in the concealer. Like this. This color is so cute. It's so cute. And now I just want to take just a little dab in this situation. It warms out the product. Your fingers warms out the product, so the color gets more and more, even more pigmented, so it's really nice. And now let's again with the pencil brush, not this one. This one. Let's apply this and let's get the purplish color, the most purplish color on the palette. And let's just dab this color right here, but be careful because these colors can be cheaty. So like this. Oh my god, it looks so good on camera. It looks so good on camera, guys. And now for the final touch. It's my cat. And now let's pack the most brightest pink on the palette right here, just half, just like this. Just like this. And now with the other half of the lid, I'm going to pack the orangey one. This color is a little bit fallout, so you need to be careful. So the look is this. Oh my god, I love it so much. And ring light, of course, in the inner corner, just because we can. And on the brow bone, just like this. And now I'm going to apply Lancome mascara, Grandiose. Apply a lot of mascara, apply a lot of mascara. On the top and on the bottom, like this. And for lips, I'm going to use a nude, of course. I'm going to use this one by Maybelline. I'm loving Maybelline products so much, and I have this lipstick for a very long time, and I love it so much. The color is so beautiful. It's a nude, and just like this. Oh my god, I love this so much. And yeah, the final look, it's this one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and as much as I did, and recreate this tutorial with me. And if you have any questions, just ask me down below and give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, as you guys know. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Mwah.